Wow. Are you like rich or something? No. A little closer to it though. Come on, let's see if it's open. So, is it open? I haven't checked yet. Apparently not. Oh, that sucks. I know. Come on. We have to go back. It's almost dinner. Yeah. Come on. Casey? Dylan? Dylan. Oh, sorry. Got lost a little bit. Do you know where Casey is? No, I haven't seen her since this morning. Oh well. Come on. Do you want something to drink? Sure. Okay. Do you want a full moon energy drink or a glass of water or something? I'll have... Wait, what's a full moon energy drink? Oh, it gives you lots and lots of energy. I'll have a glass of water. Okay. Here's a bottle of water. Thanks. Well, no, drink that up and we'll go in my room. Okay. I love her. Time's 8.